So, hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So ngayon guys, ating i-monitor kung ano bang status ng Alsons Power Group as of August 27. Okay, so kung makikita nyo guys, ito yung aking dashboard, no? Ito ang mga recommended products ng Alsons Power Group. Okay, sige. So, ang ating gagawin ay pupunta tayo sa ating account. No? So, dito natin makikita kung ano ba ang aking in-order. Okay? Sige. Okay, kung makikita nyo guys, meron akong balance dyan na 220 pesos. So, meron akong 60 pesos dyan na for withdrawal. Pero, hindi ko yan ma-withdraw guys kasi ang minimum na amount for before withdrawing is 150 pesos. Okay, so wala yan guys, no? Hindi ko yan mag-withdraw. And kung makikita nyo guys, meron dyang 8,071.40 pesos. Hindi ko yan guys ma-withdraw kasi nasa frozen amount siya, no? So hindi ko yan guys maggagalaw or maigalaw na amount. So all in all guys, meron akong 6 na orders, no? And ang aking total investment is 4,640. And kulang na lang ng 460 to be a VIP 2. Okay? O, sige. So, punta tayo guys sa aking orders. So, dyan guys sa Surprise Benefits 4, which is good for the VIP 1. So kahapon yan guys, no, na nagtalaga sila or naglapag sila ng short-term investment that is good for 1 day. Okay, so I invested 2,000 pesos that will become 5,000 pesos, no, in just 1 day. Pero guys, as you can see, walang generated income guys. So presently 10 AM kanina is meron na akong 5,000 na return na generated income. So guys, medyo nakaka-alarm na ito, no? So meron na rin akong mga other investments, no? Pero after 5 days pa yan. Okay, so ang ginawa ko guys, nag-chat ako sa customer service or sa consultant nila. Pero yung sabi ng kanilang consultant is under maintenance daw yung system nila. Okay, so medyo okay yan guys. Okay, so I asked them, no, so if it is possible and what's the update about my investment. So sabi nila, dear, the server is under maintenance, please be patient. Okay, so medyo okay yan guys, no, kasi may feedback. Pero guys, mga after 6 hours, chinat ko ulit yung online consultant nila. Ang sabi, please wait, no, until such time that hindi na ako mapalagay guys, no. Chinat ko ng chinat, so hindi na sila nag-reply. So first thing that pumasok sa aking mind is that it is a sign, no, that this website is not reliable anymore. Mukha na itong scam guys. Okay, bukas guys, hintayin natin ulit, no, sa mga kapwa ko investors kung ano yung status ng ating investment dito guys, huh? So and then if still the same, no, walang withdrawals, so it is positive that this website will not pay us anymore, no? And makakonclude tayo na this is already a scam. Okay, so that's it guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.